Back with another video. I'm still gonna do my intro, man. Everywhere else I'm known as Eddie One Take, but on this channel right here, I'm known as RTX Eddie, man. So look, I'm going from Mac to PC and I'm doing my first build. Shout out to Sizzle because he put all the parts together for me. Put it in my Amazon cart, you know what I'm saying? I went ahead and scroll them up out there. So look, this product right here is the Crucial Memory and Storage. So this is different than the DDR5 because this is RAM and then this is actual storage. So when I store things on my computer, it's gonna still be there if I'm using this. And I'm doing 4 terabyte. This is the Crucial 4 terabyte P3 Plus. So there you go right there. Let's open that up so you can see what that looks like. See the chip? See that? Alright, cool. I might just do this video because I got a few minutes left, but I really wanna take my time because it's the last part and it's the first part we're gonna put in, but this was the last part in the whole collection, the whole build. Yeah, this was the last part, the Intel Core i9 unlocked. So let me check how much time I got left on the phone, and then we gonna do the unboxing for this right here.